अदाकार प्रकाश राज ने ऑनलाइन बैटिंग ऐप्स के खिलाफ आवाज उठाते हुए नौजवानों को उनसे दूर रहने का मशवरा दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि 2016 में उन्होंने एक गेमिंग ऐप का इश्तिहार किया था, लेकिन चंद माह बाद एहसास हुआ कि ये ठीक नहीं, इसलिए 2017 में मुआहदा की तजदीद से इनकार कर दिया। 2021 में कंपनी ने वीडियो दोबारा चलाई तो उन्होंने कानूनी नोटिस भेजा, जिसके बाद इसे रोक दिया गया। उन्होंने नौजवानों को खबरदार करते हुए कहा कि बैटिंग ऐप्स जिंदगी बर्बाद कर देती हैं, इसलिए उनसे दूर।
Hi everyone, Prakash Raj here and I'm shooting for a film, so this look. Well, just now from here I came to know on the social media and certain media talking about the betting app ad I did. And I asked questions to everybody and I need to answer too. So this is my answer. I have not received anything from the police station or any summons as such, and when it does I will definitely reply them, but I think it's my responsibility to reply and clear things for you. In 2016 June, Jungli Rummy people had approached me for a gaming app ad and I did do it, but within few months my conscience, it may be legal, but I thought it was not right, and but I couldn't do anything because I had done it, and so I let it go. It was for a year's contract, and immediately when they wanted to renew it, I said no, my conscience doesn't accept it, I don't want to continue. So this happened around 8-9 years back, and since then I have not done any ads which promote online gambling. And now in 2021 too, after this company must have sold to somebody else, and when they had put these snippets in few social media, we did send them a notice and email and said, look, I have said no, I am not part of it, and you can't illegally use what has expired, and they stopped after that. And this is my reply to all those people. Yes, I did it 8 years back, but after that I have taken a conscious decision not to promote betting apps. And here I say to all youngsters, don't be a victim to such gambling.